Pyrex measuring cups are a must-have essential for any kitchen. The 1-cup measuring cup is a versatile essential for almost any kitchen project. Designed for easy measuring, mixing, lifting, and pouring, it features clearly marked measuring lines and a handy pouring spout. Safe to use in the dishwasher, microwave, freezer, and preheated oven, the non-porous glass won't absorb stains or odors. And as always, Pyrex glassware is made in the USA.
Baking is a science, and a mismeasure could cost you your delicate souffle or fluffy meringue. That's why we went into our lab and created a special beaker set. The OXO 7-piece liquid measuring beaker set features beakers specifically designed for measuring and pouring liquid ingredients, such as food coloring, extracts, milk, oil, and more. The beakers all stand on their own, with fill lines below the very top, making it easy to set out ingredients before you start cooking or baking. The funnel shape and spout on the top of the beakers make filling and pouring simple. When you're done, all sizes are dishwasher safe and nest for compact storage. The set includes 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, half cup, 2/3 cup, and 1 cup beakers with colorful, easy to read measurement markings. Here's a good tip. The 7-piece liquid measuring beaker set is also a great tool for bartenders and mixologists.
Every recipe calls for a little dash of this and that. Be precise and get it right with the rectangular measuring spoons from Spring Chef. These measuring spoons are made of heavy-duty stainless steel that will never rust or bend. Deep engraved measurements labeled in both metric and imperial will never fade or rub off, so you can easily see and grab what you need. Included are 6 useful and convenient sizes: 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon, full teaspoon, and full tablespoon. The unique rectangular shape allows them to fit into most spice jars, so you can put the spoon directly in the jar instead of accidentally losing expensive spices by trying to pour them onto the spoon. And when you're done, just nest them together for compact storage. Get to cooking and get your rectangular measuring spoons from Spring Chef today.
You're paranoid. You claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered.